Hello and welcome back to Tricksters at Helm. So today you're in for a special treat. 1, there will be animals. 2, there will be adventure. And 3, you get to hang out with Mel. Have fun! Why, hello there! I hope you are all doing very well and staying safe and healthy these days. My name is Trickster Mel, and I would like to be your tour guide today and take you on an adventure. I've been thinking a lot these days about how sad I've been that I don't get to see my friends as much anymore, and I'm sure you have been too. But I've also been thinking about all the different ways that we can communicate with each other even though we don't get to be together anymore. So I thought, what a better way to see how we can communicate with one another than going on a safari today and seeing what types of animals we can find and how they communicate with one another. Alrighty, are we all ready to get into the car to get going? Make sure we always buckle up, safety first. Ready to go? All right, hands on the steering wheel. Got the keys? Let's start the engine. Doesn't seem to be working. Let's try again. It's not working. Okay, let's try one last time. Ready? Oh, we got it working. Oh, that's a bouncy car. We've made it to our first stop. Let's keep an eye out for any animals that we see, okay? So let's reach into our backpack and pull out our binoculars, all right? Make sure you're looking through them, see if you can see anything. Look what we found!
It's an elephant. Did you know that elephants communicate with each other by delivering low-frequency sounds?
Would you like to try being an elephant yourself? Should we find another animal? So we've seen an elephant. What else can we see? Look what we found!
It's a pack of tigers. Did you know tigers communicate with their tails? When their tails are relaxed, it means they're very happy. But when they're swaying back and forth really, really fast, that means they're mad about something.
Do you want to try being a tiger? Let's find one more animal that we can see how they communicate with each other. Take out those trusty binoculars. Look what we found!
It's a group of monkeys. They communicate with each other by using lots of facial expressions, either by baring their teeth or raising their eyebrows to tell their other monkey friends how they're doing today.
Would you like to try and be a monkey now? Wow, what a great job you've done today by helping me find some animals and seeing how they communicate with each other. Oh, wow! Do you see what I see? You know what I've learned from our safari today? Is that even though we are not able to see our friends and communicate with them like we used to, we've learned that different animals, different species, and different humans all communicate differently. But that doesn't mean we should treat people differently. Well, just like the animals have shown us at the watering hole, they all communicate different ways, but that doesn't mean that they are not equal. We are all able to drink from the same watering hole. Isn't it amazing what you can learn from animals? Well, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for joining me on my adventure. I hope you had a great time and you learned something awesome about how animals get to communicate with each other. Uh-oh. Do you hear that? Oh no. I think we're about to have a stampede. Hold on to your boots.